European marketplace.
Mr. Sodano, you've been talking with OM Group, and I know, and you've just tied up a deal, I think, to take some technology from the Swedish bourse. Do you see a greater connection between the American Stock Exchange and the Swedes and other Nordic bourses?
Well, we're here today in Stockholm to celebrate the signing of a very significant contract between the American Stock Exchange and OM Technology. As your viewers may or may not be aware, the American Stock Exchange has been the second largest of the 5 options exchanges in the United States. Actually, the American Stock Exchange is a unique institution in that it's the only exchange in the United States which is actively trading across the full line of products, options, equities, and something called exchange-traded funds, which the American Stock Exchange is the world leader in. But here in Stockholm, we're celebrating the signing of this very significant contract. And basically what we're doing is continuing our good relationship with OM, bringing our options technology to the next generation of use. Basically what we're looking to do is replicate the auction marketplace that's in place on the floor of the American Stock Exchange, which is a little bit unique and different than the other auction marketplaces in the United States, in that it's supplemented by a market maker crowd, as well as brokers who can come into the crowd and hopefully better a price for a customer. What we're doing here is, for the first time anywhere in the world, utilize technology to replicate that market structure in a 100% electronic fashion. And that does a number of things for us. It increases scalability of our systems. The Amex has grown faster than any marketplace in the options world in the United States. The Amex has enjoyed the largest percentage gain in business. Our options volume has gone from a little bit over a year ago to about 350,000 contracts a day to now over 1 million contracts a day. So we're looking to enhance our rise to virtually #1. We move in and out of the #1 slot compared with the CBOE in trading equity options. We're looking at a replication on a 100% electronic basis of our market structure to increase scalability, to improve cost effectiveness.
Let me jump in at this point, because I've given you a long time to talk about your products and about your leading position in the marketplace. We look to America for a lot. We look to America for a lot of innovation, and in many ways America provides a lead, often for Europe to follow. In the case of electronic trading platforms, though, would you agree that America has been behind the curve very much? I mean, the idea of floor-traded derivatives really is out of date and probably doesn't have much more